So welcome to all of you in my full master series. In this particular lecture, I will teach you that how can you generate your own prompt with the help of ChatGPT so that you can create high quality thumbnail. Okay, in previous video, I have already told you that you can create your own prompt manually, right? So you have both the option. You can create it manually or you can create it with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so this prompt is created by me. So let's look at the prompt. Suppose if you have to create prompt for video editing thumbnail, then it should be like this. Okay, create a high detailed dynamic realistic YouTube thumbnail for professional video editing course. Okay, so your purpose should be clear in first line. Okay, then we are talking about actor in our thumbnail. A confident content creator with round face and dense hair is seated at modern desk. So this is our actor. Okay, so if you are able to imagine that how your thumbnail should look like, okay, then you can specify each thing, like content creator is seated at modern desk. Okay, and finally we have type here not text, because I don't want that thumbnail should contain text. Okay, and also I have specified 16:9 aspect ratio. So if you have to create your prompt manually, then you have to type like this. You have to specify each thing in a very detailed manner. So if you will type it manually, then let's see which kind of result you will get. So finally here we have a final output, so you can see the quality of output. Okay, and we can easily replace this face with our own face. Okay, so we will discuss each thing from the next lecture. Okay, so if you have to create your prompt manually, then you can create like this. But if you are not able to create your own prompt, then let's see how can you create your own prompt. Okay, so you have to type like this. Suppose you have to create prompt for video editing course. Okay, so here you have to type create prompt for dash create prompt for my video editing course, aspect ratio 16:9 and no text. So basically the thing is you have to specify core thing. Core thing means video editing course thumbnail, aspect ratio, and it should not contain any text. Okay, let's hit the enter. So finally we have a prompt for our thumbnail. Okay, so in the next tab of ChatGPT, I will paste this prompt and let's hit the enter button. Okay, so it will take some time. So now let's type here create prompt for UI UX design course. Hit the enter button. So prompt have been generated successfully. Now we will copy this. Now let's wait for previous design. So this is a final result. Now let's paste our new prompt for UI UX design thumbnail. Let's see what will happen now. So this is a final output of our prompt. Create prompt for SEO masterclass lecture series. Okay, and hit the enter button. So this is a prompt for our SEO lecture series. Let's copy this and paste it in ChatGPT. So finally we have a final output on the basis of our prompt, and it is looking so awesome. You can see the quality of image. So this is how you can create high quality thumbnail. Okay, and in the next video we will learn that how can we generate more realistic thumbnail like this. This is my face. Okay, so we are increasing our course level gradually.